All right, ladies and gentlemen, say hello to the Chicago F Club. We are rolling deep today. Lots of RCFs, Meister Chef exhaust, me, slammed Infinity that's going to be doing our rollers and pictures. What's up, boys? Welcome, welcome. We got a couple more people coming out, and there better be another GSF because I'm sick and tired of being the only freaking GSF here. Evil RCF, this thing sounds sick. Wait till you guys hear it. Nice setup. What size wheels is this guy running? 305s. Ooh, beast. And he's not rubbing because these things have their rear quarter panels rolled, which is sick. All right. And there is the man of the hour, Mr. Adrian ISF with his rotiform wheels, who just went to fill up gas so we don't get stranded. The color on these wheels is phenomenal. But yeah, we're gonna head out downtown. We're gonna head downtown, get some rollers. We got 2 photographers here. Hopefully some more cars show up. It's getting chilly, but we'll get it done. Shaft. Headphone users beware. Well, boys, we out here. RX7, IS350. ISF. Check out this right hand, both right, that RX7 right hand drive. Lexus, I believe this is a C right hand drive, turbo, big ass front mount. Adrian over here getting his beauty shots. That is a pretty good shot. Alright guys, we are downtown at Field Museum, right behind us, taking some pictures. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Only a few cars left. A couple pictures being still taken, but man, it was a great turnout, even though it was cold as hell. You got the photographers doing their thing. Thank you guys, we appreciate you for the sick pictures that I know are gonna happen. My car, the boys. I mean, hope not ruin their picture. But yeah, it was a great turnout. Smoked some tires a little bit since we got to wear them down. My boys RCF, clean as fuck. Running the Firestone Indy 500 tires, which I'm gonna look into because they look like they're decent for the price. And look at this black car, it's clean. With the Meister Shaft titanium exhaust, sounds amazing. And of course, Adrian slammed, what's he call it, RCF. This right here is gonna be the money shot, guys. Money shot right there. And with that, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.